კარგად დუყურეთ რებს და მაიკოს. გუშვითეთში.
We have been doing.
რა პრეზიდენტია მაგდა იმეს არ გუფრთხილებია? 95-ში და მოსული ყავ, ხათი აზრით.
We have a military strategy that involves putting enormous pressure on ISIL through airstrikes that has
Tveshi 15-ში გამოცხადებულა არ ვიცოდით, ერთი თვის ბრძანება იყო და 25-ში დიმინეგეს და მოდიო 500-იან ჯარიმა გაგზავშიო.
Assistance and training on the ground with Iraqi forces. We're now working with Syrian forces as well to squeeze ISIL, cut off their supply lines. We've been coordinating internationally to reduce their financing capabilities, the oil that they're trying to ship outside. We are taking strikes against high-value targets, including most recently against the individual who was on the video executing. Civilians who had already been captured, as well as the head of ISIL in Libya, so it's not just in Iraq and Syria. And so, on the military front, we are continuing to accelerate what we do. As we find additional partners on the ground that are effective, we work with them more closely. I've already authorized additional special forces on the ground who are going to be able to improve that coordination. On the counterterrorism front, keep in mind that since I came into office, we have been worried about these kinds of attacks. The vigilance that the United States government maintains and the cooperation that we're consistently expanding with our European and other partners in going after every single terrorist network is robust and constant. And every few weeks I meet with my entire national security team and we go over every single threat stream that is presented. And where we have relevant information, we share it immediately with our counterparts around the world, including our European partners. On aviation security, we have, over the last several years, been working so that at various airport sites, we are strengthening our mechanisms to screen and discover passengers who should not be boarding flights. And on the diplomatic front, we've been consistently working to try to get all the parties together to recognize that there is a moderate opposition inside of Syria that can form the basis for a transition government. So there will be an intensification of the strategy that we put forward, but the strategy that we are putting forward is the strategy that ultimately is going to work.